John John Sutter arrived in California in 1839 in what he called New Helvetica. We call it Sacramento today. New Helvetica was named after his native Switzerland. He soon realized that he wanted to build a large fort there and build a settlement, and he would need lumber to do that. So he hired James Marshall to come to this area and to create a lumber mill, and that's what we see behind us here. That lumber mill was negotiated with the Indians here in what they called the New Coloma Valley. Now we call it Coloma. Anyway, that lumber mill, when they first built it, turned out not to have enough power to saw the logs, and so they needed to expand the channel of water going through it, and that's called the tail race, or this end part is called the tail race. And what they did is they would blast it during the day, haul out as much of the big rocks as they could, and then send water through it at night, and that water would take the smaller debris out into the main river. And he noticed something. He noticed something glittering, and that glittering turned out to be what he found out later was gold. And that began the great California gold rush, which was, and still is, the greatest mass migration in the history of humankind.